I think they're going to be very content with 5th place this year. I don't think they want to fall out of that spot. Don't get me wrong, but they're really looking forward to 2026 as well. Everybody is looking forward to 2026, but some teams a little bit more so than others. I think Aston Martin is one of those teams that falls into the more so. And with Adrian Newey joining the team, he's not even going to be a part of the team officially until March. He's going to be dead set focused on getting them as far ahead into 2026 as he possibly can. Yeah. Starting 3 months back as far as the actual development is concerned for him, he's not going to be concerned in the slightest about 2025. He might have a couple of, hey, we did this at Red Bull. Maybe you guys want to try it on this car this year. You know, maybe it'll get you some more performance gains, but I don't see them making any massive leaps this year. This is a team that's very comfortable where they are. Although Lawrence Stroll would tell you otherwise, I just don't see them making any massive leaps. I'd be shocked. I'm ready to be proven wrong, but I just don't quite see it.